Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use fast mapping in Dreame Mova E20. To perform fast mapping, which will quickly scan your home without cleaning it, to create the map, and then you can later clean it with the map already created. Go to the app, then click on Go to the device, Map Management, then click on Create Map and Fast Mapping, and then your robot will start mapping your home quickly. And when it maps the whole area, the map will be shown here, and you'll be able to click on Start to start cleaning your area. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.